Dr. Michio Kaku, a renowned theoretical physicist and futurist, has dedicated his life to making the mysteries of the universe accessible to everyone. Through his books, lectures, and media appearances, he bridges the gap between complex science and our everyday lives, inspiring millions to imagine what the future could hold. Kaku's unique ability to translate advanced scientific concepts into engaging stories has made him a leading voice in discussions about tomorrow's world. He envisions a future shaped by the convergence of artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and space exploration, a world where technology and humanity are inseparable. In Kaku's view, these fields are not just advancing independently, but are merging to create a new era of human civilization. The boundaries between biology and technology, between Earth and space, are dissolving before our eyes. Kaku's predictions are grounded in real science, not fantasy. He draws on the latest research and technological breakthroughs, urging us to actively shape the future rather than passively await it. According to Kaku, the choices we make today will determine whether we thrive or struggle in the decades to come. Imagine contact lenses that instantly connect you to the internet, cancer becoming a manageable condition rather than a death sentence, and human consciousness digitized and uploaded to computers. These are possibilities, not dreams. Kaku challenges us to consider how these advances could transform society, medicine, and even our sense of identity. This script explores Kaku's most compelling predictions: the dangers of autonomous weapons, which could change the nature of warfare and security forever; the necessity of space colonization, as Earth's resources become strained and humanity looks to the stars for survival and growth; the merging of mind and machine, where brain-computer interfaces could unlock new forms of intelligence and creativity; and the coming medical revolution, with breakthroughs that could extend life, cure diseases, and redefine what it means to be human. Kaku's vision is both a warning and a roadmap, challenging us to engage with the future now. He invites us to imagine, to question, and to take responsibility for the world we are building. Because the future is not something that simply happens to us. It is something we create together. Kaku warns that the real threat isn't conscious killer robots, but autonomous AI-driven weapons making life or death decisions without human oversight. A simple glitch could turn these machines into indiscriminate killers, with catastrophic consequences. As nations race to develop these technologies, the risk of accidents or misuse grows, outpacing ethical and legal safeguards. Kaku urges immediate international action to regulate autonomous weapons, before warfare becomes even more uncontrollable. Kaku insists that humanity's survival depends on becoming a multi-planet species. He argues that, while Earth has been our cradle, it is not immune to disaster. From asteroid impacts to supervolcanoes, and even the slow but certain changes in our sun, the risks are real and ever-present. To ensure the long-term survival of our civilization, we must look beyond our home planet and embrace the challenge of space colonization. Earth is too fragile to be our only home. Our planet's delicate balance can be disrupted by natural or human-made catastrophes at any time. By spreading out into the cosmos, we reduce the risk of a single event wiping out all of humanity. Private space ventures are making Mars colonization and interstellar probes realistic goals for this century. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, developing reusable rockets and advanced spacecraft that could one day carry humans to other worlds. He envisions self-sustaining cities on Mars, where people could live, work, and thrive independently from Earth. These Martian settlements would be equipped with advanced life support systems, greenhouses for food, and technologies to harness local resources, making them true outposts of humanity. And beyond Mars, fleets of nanocraft could one day race to nearby stars, transforming what was once science fiction into real engineering challenges. These tiny, high-speed probes could explore distant solar systems, searching for habitable planets and signs of life. Kaku also predicts we'll detect alien civilizations soon, likely by intercepting their communications with powerful radio telescopes. As our technology improves, we're able to scan deeper into the cosmos, listening for signals that could reveal we are not alone. Such a discovery would redefine our place in the universe, shifting us from cosmic isolation to community. The knowledge that intelligent life exists elsewhere would spark new questions about our own origins and destiny. The era of space exploration is just beginning, and our future may depend on it. As we venture beyond Earth, we embark on the greatest journey in human history, one that could secure our survival and expand our understanding of the universe forever. Kaku envisions a future where the boundaries between mind and machine dissolve, as brain-computer interfaces allow us to communicate thoughts, ideas, and even emotions directly, without the need for spoken words or physical devices. Imagine a world where you can send a message simply by thinking it, or collaborate on complex problems with others through a shared mental space. This is the promise of the BrainNet, a revolutionary leap in human connectivity. Around the globe, scientists are already making remarkable progress. They're mapping the intricate networks of the brain, developing neural prosthetics that restore lost abilities, and experimenting with ways to link our minds to computers. These breakthroughs are laying the foundation for a new era of human experience, where our thoughts can shape technology as easily as our hands do today. Soon, internet-connected contact lenses and augmented reality glasses could overlay digital information directly onto our vision, transforming how we perceive and interact with the world around us. Directions, translations, and even people's names could appear seamlessly in our field of view, making daily life more intuitive and connected than ever before. With these advances, we may soon be able to record and replay memories, share our emotions with loved ones across any distance, and immerse ourselves in entertainment that feels as real as life itself. The line between reality and experience will blur, opening up new possibilities for empathy, creativity, and connection. This technology holds the potential to revolutionize medicine by helping those with neurological disorders, transform education through direct knowledge transfer, and unlock new realms of artistic expression. Yet, as we move closer to this future, we must also grapple with profound ethical questions about privacy, identity, and the very nature of consciousness. The BrainNet is on the horizon, and its arrival will fundamentally reshape what it means to be human, challenging us to rethink our relationships with technology, with each other, and with ourselves. Kaku predicts a medical revolution powered by AI, biotech, and nanotechnology. Especially in the fight against cancer, nanobots, programmed to target and destroy cancer cells, could make chemotherapy obsolete and side effects a thing of the past. Intelligent toilets will detect disease at its earliest stages, enabling treatment before symptoms even appear. Cancer could become as manageable as a cold, fundamentally changing our approach to health and longevity. Technology's potential to end suffering is within reach, if we harness it wisely. Kaku sees AI evolving gradually, with real-world impacts like driverless cars transforming cities and saving lives. Autonomous vehicles will eliminate traffic jams and accidents, while AI will reshape industries and challenge our ethical boundaries. Digital currencies and blockchain will revolutionize finance, though today's cryptocurrencies may not be the final winners. These changes will redefine work money and daily life, demanding new rules and public understanding. Kaku urges us to look past the hype and prepare for a world fundamentally altered by technology. Kaku's predictions are a call to action. Technology is advancing faster than our ability to manage it. The same tools that can cure disease or connect minds can also be weaponized or abused. We must build ethical frameworks and educate ourselves to guide innovation wisely. Science and technology must become part of everyday conversation, not just expert domains. The future is a choice. We can shape it for the better or be overwhelmed by it. Kaku's vision is one of hope. If we act with wisdom, we can become architects of a remarkable tomorrow.